Introducing our new type of flow beehive. Just show you. This is the back entrance for the bees. It's opening. Yeah. The bee can be safely moved from one place to other place. We've got the bee feeder. You can put it to feed your bees. If you want to close the entrance for the bees, you just turn it and close it down. You've got spirit labels on the side. You've got locks. You've got the windows on the brood box and on the top box. And you've got another spirit label on this side. This is your entrance. You can open it easily. The hive. You can open this side. And you can put your jar on the shelf to drain the honey. Thank you.